What's the meaning of Bridget Jones? Bridget Jones. Bridget Jones.
Bridget Jones. Bridget Jones. Bridget Jones is a cultural reference that originated from the novel Bridget Jones's Diary written by Helen Fielding and its subsequent film adaptations. The character Bridget Jones is a single woman in her 30s who juggles her career, social life, and tumultuous love life while navigating the ups and downs of adulthood. The name Bridget Jones has become synonymous with a person who is relatable, imperfect, and humorous in their approach to dealing with everyday struggles. It represents the universal experiences of growing up, making mistakes, and finding oneself in a world that can often be chaotic and unpredictable.